This is course FTT 100, Introduction to Firearms, Week 7 assignment, Cycle of Operations, Field Strip, and Cleaning. Let's begin by clearing the weapon. Canik TP9SFX. Remove magazine, no ammo. Lock slide back, clear through, no ammo. Check the chamber, no ammo. In the feeding cycle, the magazine will present the next round. The slide will travel forward, stripping the next round out of the magazine. The slide will lock shut by the recoil spring, locking the chamber closed. This firearm has a cocked indicator. It is red showing right here. To fire, there is a trigger safety. You must pull the blade, pull the trigger. After fired, the round will cause the slide to go rearward. The barrel will drop in the rear. It will remove the round from the chamber, ejecting it out the top right. In doing so, it will cock the firing pin. The slide will travel forward again, grabbing the next round and locking the chamber. At this time, you can let off the trigger to reset, and the cycle will continue. Let's field strip the weapon. First, let's clear it. No mag, chamber's empty. Physically check it. Push down the takedown pins. Slide comes off. Set the receiver to the side. Remove the recoil spring. Remove the barrel. There's your slide. Let's begin the cleaning process. Let's use some modern Spartan Systems carbon destroyer. Put on the underside of the slide. Let's put some on the feed ramp of the barrel. Some on the outside of the barrel. Some on the recoil spring. And let it sit for approximately 5 minutes. Let's add some carbon destroyer to your takedown block and your trigger assembly and trigger firing assembly. Now take a brush and begin scrubbing. Take your cleaning rod or cable of choice, thread on the patch holder, grab a small patch, add a little bit of carbon destroyer to the patch, run it through the barrel, breech end to muzzle. It is a little dirty, but not bad. Run it through again, and we will let it sit. I don't have compressed air at my workbench, so we will just dry off the parts. Take your brush, continue cleaning deposits. Now take a dry patch, run it through the barrel. Continue doing so until the patch comes out clean. The patch came out clean, and the bore is nice and clean. Now, let's oil all the components that need oiled. Let's oil the barrel first. Do a few drops of oil on a clean patch. Start from the breech end. Pull it through. Do it one more time. Now, let's add some oil to the recoil spring. Let it sit. Let's add a drop of oil to your firing pin, your ejector. Let it sit. Let's add a drop to your trigger and your firing components. Work it through. Now let's run a dry patch through the barrel to remove excess oil. Let's reassemble. In the feeding function, this part right here, we'll strip the round out of the magazine and load it into the chamber, up the feed ramp into the chamber, locking the chamber. That is your recoil spring. Firing takes place by pulling the trigger, which moves the trigger arm, which will move the sear, which will break contact here and cause the striker to go forward. Ejecting is taking place with the injector right here. And if you can tell, it is spring loaded. And cocking takes place as the slide moves rearward. Let's add the last 4 drops of oil before putting the slide back together. Function test. Slide locks back, drops forward. Firearm is cleared. No ammo. No ammo. It is cocked. It fires. Thank you.